guys? Dave Brown from Money Game Real Estate Investors. We're going to do part 3 of the Lake George Motel. As some of you may know, a couple weeks ago we went to go look at a 23 unit plus a 4-bedroom house in Lake George. Unfortunately, I did not end up pursuing that deal. I'm going to go over the couple of reasons why in this video, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so there's 3 main reasons on why I did not pursue this deal, okay? We all love Lake George. I want to end up owning something in Lake George, but unfortunately this just was not the deal for me, okay? And there's 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, okay? There are 7 different septic systems at this facility, okay? To some people that might not be an issue. To me, it's 7 times more likely that we're going to have to be bringing in an excavator, digging up the ground, trying to locate the septic system, and then we need a new septic tank, which is like $1,000, not too bad. The leach field, we're going to have to make a new leach field, all right? And then we have to backfill all that. It just sounds like a recipe for disaster, and I just wasn't really about it. If there were 2 septic systems, one at each side, it would have been perfectly fine, but 7 is just a big no-no to me. The second reason I did not pursue this deal was because of the electricity, all right? In upstate New York, we have National Grid as our utility provider. I know downstate New York, there's Con Edison, and then every other state has their own utility provider. In New York, okay, you have your delivery charge and you have your usage charge. The usage is pretty self-explanatory. It's what you use on a monthly basis. The delivery charge, however, is simply a monthly charge that never goes away, which is basically, I'm charging you this amount per meter for providing this electrical service. Now, you may or may not know, in other motels that I've owned, I've converted 2 or 3 meters into one and have saved double-digit numbers. I'm talking $25,000 plus, okay? This property, however, has 4 electrical meters. 4, which means 4 different delivery charges on top of usage. That's going to be a very costly repair to convert from 4 meters to 1 meter is going to be very expensive, and to use 4 meters year round is going to be extremely expensive. In my opinion, I think that the delivery charges are going to be far more expensive than the actual use charges. And to me, that's just a no-no. Okay guys, so the third and last reason, well not the last reason, but the last substantial reason for me not pursuing this property is because the property's been owned and operated as a seasonal facility, all right? Doesn't sound like that big of a deal, right? Well, it's not unless your foundation and your plumbing is not hidden from the elements, okay? This person, this owner, okay, had built all of these different little cottages and buildings, okay, with 0 insulation, all right? Now, I would actually have to destroy parts of the foundation on each dwelling, and I think there was like a dozen different dwellings, all right? I'd have to hack them apart and insulate every single one of them at minimum. I did not want to get into this. I don't know how much this is going to cost. It just was a total turnoff for me. If these units were insulated and they could be owned and operated year-round rather than like a summer retreat, then I would have been all over this property. But because right now it's only set up for a summer seasonal kind of ordeal, I'm not really into that. I like my properties generating cash flow all year round, and that was just a huge no-no to me, and it just wasn't worth putting the extra money into it. They were asking $600,000 as it is, and It just wasn't worth it to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for some more motel walkthroughs. We might even be looking for some apartment buildings because the motel scene has seemed to dried up at the current moment. But we'll stay tuned, and you'll be sure to get a whole bunch of new value from all of these videos. I'll see you guys. Take care.